Do you know which moving average can tell this is the bottom of the Bitcoin? If yes, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a easy, simple trick to tell this is the bottom of the Bitcoin. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend about this channel. Welcome to ymchannel. I'm not your financial advisor. Before you do any trade, please advise with your financial advisor. This video is just for the education purpose. So I'm going to show you the weekly chart. So how to tell this is a bottom already? You can see this moving at this line, the blue line is the moving average. Every single time when the price touch this blue line, basically tell this is the bottom of this market. So lately, we even basically this is a weekly chart. From June 2022, basically we even under this perfect timing. This is a perfect buying zone for us to buy the Bitcoin. So I'm going to review you. This moving average is moving average 200, and this is a weekly chart. So every single time when they hit this moving average 200, basically is the best timing for us to buy the Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm not your financial advisor. Anyway, this video is just for education. So one more trick. So this is weekly chart. If you look at the daily chart, so daily chart, okay, we zoom out a little bit to see same moving average, but on the daily charts, moving average 200. So every time when you see the bottom, this is 2019, 2018. So when you see the bottom is already in, the moving average is, the angle is not moving up yet. When this is over, it starts to turn up, going up rather than going down. You see that? This here, 2018, 2019, and let's see 2015 also. Here we have bottom. You see, when we already bottom in, when we start the real bull one, you can see the curve is going upward rather than going downward. So you can see these two reference. So what happened right now? Now we going upward. So it's most likely we tell this is the bottom already. You see? Even we have two bottom here. So we will retest it. We don't know yet, but you can see here very clearly, this is an upward trend. So basically we can tell the bottom is already in. So are we still in the good timing to buy? I would say in our last chart, the weekly chart, we are still close to this area, right? So we are still close to the best buying soon, basically. So it's okay we don't buy at the lowest price, but in the future you will still look like a superhero, right? So today is my sharing. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend about this channel. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you, are we going to hit the 100,000 this year, or when is it going to hit the next high? So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I see you in the next video. By the way, join my email list, so I will share with you more about the trick on trading and financial freedom. See you in the next video. Bye.